Good morning, students. Today we will discuss Political Science Chapter 1, that is Political Theory and Introduction. First of all, we must know what is political theory. So, the political theory deals with the ideas and principles that shape constitutions, governments, and social life. When we are talking about constitutions, governments, and social life, that are all the word constitutions, all the word government, and whole social life. Second question is that which concepts are cleared by political theory. There are main 6 concepts are cleared by political theory, that is freedom, democracy, secularism, equality, separation of power, and justice. When we are talking about freedom, freedom is absence of constraints. हिंदी में हम कह सकते हैं स्वतंत्रता बाधाओं का अभाव है. Freedom is also about expanding the ability of people to freely express themselves and develop their potential. Secondly, democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which the people have the authority to choose their governing legislation. According to 16th President of USA, Abraham Lincoln, he defined democracy as government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Number 3, secularism. The principles of separation of the state from religious institutions is called secularism. हिंदी में राज्य को धार्मिक संस्थाओं से अलग करने के सिद्धांत को धर्मनिरपेक्षता कहा जाता है. Now we have to come equality. As far as equality concerned, where members of a society are of equal standing in terms of political power or influences. जहाँ तक समानता का प्रश्न है, समानता समाज के सदस्य राजनीतिक शक्ति या प्रभाव के मामले में एक समान होने को कहती है. Now, separation of power. The representation of power is called separation for the governments of a state. Under this model, a state's government is divided into branches, each with separate independent power and responsibilities. so that the power of one branch are not in conflict with those of the rest branches. Justice. When we are talking about justice, we must know this is our social justice. Justice and social justice is a concepts of fair and just relations between the individual and society as measured by the distribution of wealth opportunity for personal activity and social privileges. Now, how does the political theory defend all these concepts? Political theory examines the arguments advanced by different thinkers in defense of these concepts. Best wishes.